Easily enter your hardware details in Edge with our new feature, Guided Hardware. Whether you are on your main form or inside the hardware pop-out, you can select options from our drop-down list that are specific to your prep type. Manufacturers, models, trims, mullions, and strikes will begin to filter with each selection made. Don't see what you're looking for? Don't worry, Currys made this easy for you. Simply type a valid 2-character manufacturer and use the model, trim, mullion, and strike fields as freeform text boxes. Our order management team will review that information and make sure that your doors and frames are appropriately prepped for the information you type in those fields. Important things to note when using guided hardware. If you don't see what you're looking for, it could be due to the prep code chosen. The hardware model you're looking for is for a concealed vertical rod, and a concealed vertical rod prep is not what you have entered, so you need to change your prep code to select the model needed. If you do have the correct prep code chosen for the manufacturer needed, don't select the closest option listed in the dropdown. Doing this can result in your doors or frames being prepped incorrectly. Instead, use the box as a freeform text box and type in what you're looking for. Then attach a copy of the template for us to review through the Upload File button. Currys Edge is proud to integrate tools like guided hardware to help you become even more efficient in your projects and at the same time provide the factory with more accurate prep details. Thank you for using Currys Edge. Check out our other Edge videos to help you get the most out of this online ordering tool.